another day of progress on the drywall. At this point, it's a little bit of work and a lot of waiting. So we're on the third coat of compound on the screw heads, on the seams, on the edges, on the corners, anywhere that there's a joint. And then it's turning on a fan and waiting for the different coats to dry. It doesn't look really different from yesterday, except for a couple of details, and I'll walk you through them. One of the reasons so many coats are required is, for example, a corner like this, you can't do both sides of the corner at once. You need to do one side, wait for it to dry, come back to the other side. And that was one of the things that was done today. Another thing that was done today is the gas line was removed from here. I'll show you a photograph of the other side in the basement, but here are the bits and pieces, and we've taken the gas out of our kitchen now. That's all I have to share for today. We're expecting tile to be delivered yesterday or today, and it hasn't shown up, so I'm not sure what we're going to work on tomorrow. Probably sanding all of the mud that's been going up the last few days.